Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking a Bath, and the bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook, bang, www.themanandselling.com. Also have a PayPal donation link in the description of this video. All right, we're gonna jump right into it. You already seen the thumbnail, guys. We want to talk about the KittyHok battery operated camera. Now, why is this so important, guys? I'd like to do these security series on the channels just to show you how technology can help protect your family and your property. Now, this setup is very easy, about 5 to 10 minutes, and you don't have to have any technical skills. So let's go ahead and set it up, and I'll be back to give you my final thoughts. But first, this. Connecting to the source has quickly become my favorite IPTV service. Connecting to the source will allow you to stream up to 2 devices for $14 and 5 devices for $25 a month. That's right, only $14, 2 devices, or 5 devices at $25 a month. Connected to the source, guys, one of the best, no, I dare say it is the best IPTV service. Alright guys, so here we have it. This is the smart battery 2020 KittyHok version. Disregard the branding, guys. Sometimes these companies just brand with different manufacturers. Alright, now you get your user manual. Pretty simple, easy to follow. This is your mounting plate, and also comes with this little sticker, adhesive sticker. The camera itself, guys, to be honest, it's very robust. We're gonna get to that. More documentation at the bottom of the box. I don't know if this is a duplicate or not. This is your charging port, and these are your mounting screws. That's everything you get in the box. Again, a closer look, 4 screws, guys, mounting plate, 3M adhesive, and here it is, the camera. It feels heavy, you know. It feels like it can take a licking and keep on ticking. That's the magnet back there. You also have a threaded spot if you wanted to mount it. This right here, you press those 2 buttons to take the back off. I'll show you that a little later. But yeah, it's a nice looking camera, guys. You see it has the little light at the top. It can do infrared vision, so if it's in the dark, here you still have access to your video. And underneath here, you got your power button, and of course where you charge it up with a speaker. Also have a microphone. So let's go ahead and see if we can get this bag off. You take the bag off easily, and you can see the magnet in the back. All right, so let's go ahead and set up the camera. The first thing you want to do is make sure you install the app. It's simple, guys. Just go to the Google Play Store or go to your iOS store, and just basically follow the prompts on the screen. Like I said, it's simple. First thing it's going to do is ask you to create an account. You create an account, and then congratulations, you just go ahead and add a camera. You want to connect it to your Wi-Fi, and connecting it to your Wi-Fi, make sure that you choose the 2 gigahertz, not the 5 gigahertz. It's only run off of 2 gigahertz. So select your Wi-Fi, put in your password, and you're going to get a QR code, and you'll be good to go. Make sure you put in the correct Wi-Fi password, guys. And now we just want to take a picture with the camera of this QR code, and voila, just like that, guys, we are connected. It's simple. It's almost like magic. Like I said, this is easy to set up. You just choose the location. You can also change the name of your camera, guys. Reading it, following the prompts that appear on the screen. You don't have to be technically savvy to go ahead and set up this camera. Look how fast that was. We are set up. Choose that free storage. Basically, free trial for 30 days is going to give you that cloud storage. It's going to record according to your settings, movements, and stuff like that. So I thought that was pretty good. We go ahead and you just press the play button. Again, I got it. Follow the prompts, and voila, we are connected. Look at that. Look at that, guys. So now we got the camera set up. It's connected to our Wi-Fi. Let's go ahead and install it. All right, now here's the mounting plate. Look how strong this magnet is, guys. Like, I'm trying to take this off with one hand. It's very, very hard to get it off with one hand. You really got to get in between it and break it. But it is a strong magnet, so you don't have to worry about it being secure wherever you mount it at. All right, so I have it all mounted up, guys. Look how this magnet works. Go ahead and put that on there. boom, it snaps on, and then I could adjust it at different angles. Totally easy setup. I mean, hassle free. Alright guys, so this how it's gonna look. I have it pointed at my man cave back there where all the action happens, guys, in my little shed. But I can go ahead and I can hear audio. I also can speak through the camera. Again, I can put it on high definition or standard definition. Play around with the settings. If you put it on auto, you might not get the best quality, but it's up to you. But as you can see, it's a very good picture, guys. You just gotta play around with it. Now, one of the things I love about this camera is that it gives me the perfect angle. I can change this up if I want it. You seen how easy it was on the mount. And here are some of the settings you can play around with. Now, inside the app, guys, you can go ahead and you can change things like your motion detector. You can look at the duration of your recordings, your resolution. It's so many things you can do. You can decide if you want to put on the alarm, if you want to turn on the flashlight whenever there's an alert. You can do tons and tons of things using this app. So please take full advantage of the app. Also, you can put an SD card in there, reformat it, change what type of night vision you want. You can go ahead, guys, inside of this app and check your battery life. You can go to advanced and do all of that. I mean, it's very, very, very intuitive. Show you your signal strength and everything. So this app is giving you a lot. Let's go back into the studio and I'm going to give you my final thoughts on this product. All right, guys, welcome back. So there you have it, guys. Simple, easy. Like I said, you can set this up at your parents' house. You can set this up at a loved one house, such as a sister. If you have someone that need assisted living, you can set this up to help monitor their homes. Also, guys, this is great for like apartments and stuff. Very, very easy to set up where you can keep an eye on your property or your loved ones, whatever you looking to protect, guys. Technology can help you protect your loved ones and your property. And like I said, I hate to be repetitive, but I have to stress it. You don't need a whole bunch of technical knowledge to set this up. There was an easy setup, guys. Give you tons of options, and that 30 days free of cloud storage will come in handy. One of the things I was kind of hesitant about how easy it is to remove. The magnet is pretty strong, so you really got to tug on it to take it off. That makes it great whenever you want to charge it up. Just pull it off, put it on the charger for an hour, and it should last for a month or so, depending on how you have your detection set up. But what happened if you know, a bad actor come along and grab it? I thought about that, but think about it. Even if you had a fixed camera, they can always cover it up or spray paint it or something like that. The purpose of the camera is to give you an indication of when it happened, a timestamp, a video or a picture of it, or to let you know that someone is around your house. Hey, it's your boy taking a bath. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe, and check out Connected IPTV service, guys. Tons of channels saving you tons of money. You just need a fire stick. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.